The arrival of the Pleiadians, your ultimate guide to understanding the awakening process. As a spiritual teacher, I have noticed an increase in the number of people who are experiencing a spiritual awakening. Many people have reported experiencing a wide range of physical and emotional symptoms that have left them feeling confused and disoriented. However, with the arrival of the Pleiadians, everything is starting to make sense. In this video, I will provide you with an ultimate guide to understanding the awakening process and the role of the Pleiadians in this process. Introduction to the Pleiadians. The Pleiadians are a group of beings that reside in the Pleiades star system, which is located in the constellation Taurus. These beings are highly advanced and have a deep understanding of the spiritual realm. They are known for their ability to channel high-frequency energy and have been visiting Earth for thousands of years. The Pleiadians are often described as having a humanoid appearance with long blonde hair and blue eyes. They are very tall and have a graceful and elegant demeanor. Many people who have had contact with the Pleiadians report feeling a deep sense of love and compassion from these beings. What is the awakening process? The awakening process is a spiritual journey that involves an individual becoming aware of their true self and purpose in life. This process can be triggered by a variety of factors, including major life changes, conscious living, or a sudden spiritual awakening. During the awakening process, an individual may experience a wide range of physical and emotional symptoms, including an unexplained sense of joy, weightlessness, and a deep longing for something more. These are a natural part of the awakening process. Common signs of the awakening process. There are several common signs that an individual may be going through an awakening process. These include intense emotions. Many people report experiencing heightened emotions during the awakening process. They may feel a deep sense of love and compassion for others, or they may experience intense feelings of happiness, bliss, and ecstasy for no apparent reason. Increased sensitivity. Individuals going through an awakening process may become more sensitive to their environment. They may notice subtle changes in energy and become more attuned to the emotions of others. Spiritual experiences. Many people report having spiritual experiences during the awakening process, such as seeing angels or having profound insights into the nature of reality. They might also experience vivid dreams in which they fly. Understanding the Pleiadian perspective on the awakening process. The Pleiadians have a deep understanding of the awakening process and have been helping individuals navigate this journey for thousands of years. According to the Pleiadians, the awakening process is a natural part of humanity's evolution. The Pleiadians believe that Earth is going through a period of transformation and that many individuals are being called to awaken to their true nature and purpose. They believe that this awakening process is essential for humanity to evolve to the next level of consciousness. The role of the Pleiadians in the awakening process. The Pleiadians play a significant role in the awakening process, as they are able to channel high-frequency energy that can help individuals navigate this journey. They are known for their ability to heal and provide guidance. The Pleiadians are also able to provide insight into the nature of reality, and can help individuals understand their true purpose in life. Also, they are known for their ability to communicate telepathically, and can provide guidance and support to individuals who are struggling with the awakening process. How to connect with the Pleiadians. Connecting with the Pleiadians is a personal and individual journey, and there are several ways that you can do this. One of the most effective ways to connect with the Pleiadians is through meditation. During meditation, you can focus your intention on connecting with the Pleiadians and ask for their guidance and support. You may also want to try using crystals, such as clear quartz or selenite, which have a high vibration and can help you connect with the Pleiadians. Tools and techniques for navigating the awakening process. Navigating the awakening process can be challenging, but there are several tools and techniques that can help you. One of the most effective tools is mindfulness, which involves being present at the moment and observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Other helpful tools include journaling, practicing self-care, and seeking support from a spiritual advisor or community. It is also essential to stay grounded and connected to your physical body during the awakening process, as this can help you stay centered and focused. Common challenges in the awakening process and how to overcome them. The awakening process can be challenging, and many individuals experience a range of physical and emotional symptoms. One of the most common challenges is feeling overwhelmed, which can make it difficult to stay focused on your journey. To overcome this challenge, it can be helpful to seek support from a spiritual advisor or community. You may also want to try practicing self-care, such as taking time for yourself, getting plenty of rest, and engaging in activities that bring you peace. The importance of self-care in the awakening process. Self-care is essential during the awakening process, as it can help you stay grounded, centered, and focused. It is essential to take care of your physical body by getting plenty of rest, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in regular exercise. You may also want to try incorporating mindfulness practices, such as meditation or yoga, into your daily routine. It is also important to take time for yourself and engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Final thoughts on the arrival of Pleiadians. The arrival of the Pleiadians marks a significant shift in the evolution of humanity. These beings have a deep understanding of the spiritual realm and are here to help individuals navigate the awakening process. If you are going through an awakening process, it is essential to stay grounded, centered, and focused. Seek support from a spiritual teacher, practice self-care, and connect with the Pleiadians through meditation or other techniques. Remember that the awakening process is a natural part of humanity's evolution and that, with the help of the Pleiadians, you can navigate this journey with grace, compassion, and love. We love you dearly. We are here with you. We are your family of light. We are the Galactic Federation. H.O. Aurora Ray, Ambassador of the Galactic Federation. Voice for We Are Positive Worldwide.